How to use Dropbox. So first you'll need to open Google Chrome, then you can just search in the search bar as Dropbox. Once you enter the search button, so a Dropbox website will be shown in the top. So if you see here, we have like dropbox.com, then we have login, we have download and install Dropbox for your desktop, then we have for mobile app and for Dropbox for business. So click on the Dropbox link. Once the Dropbox landing page is open, if you can see here, we're going to log in. So we'll just accept the cookies. So we're going to just log in. So you can also give sign up, manually start creating Dropbox account. In this, I'll be using my Google account. So I'll be going with continue with Google. So I'm just going to select my email ID. So I'm going to give agree and sign up for the terms. So now in this, it automatically creates your account in Dropbox. Log in with Google. So if you see here, we have three different plans. One is for personal use, which will give for one user and you can try it for 30 days. So you have encrypted cloud storage, free up hard drive automatically, link as many devices as needed, 30 days accident, theft and disaster recovery. Similarly, you have in professional, you have around 3000 GB, then you have here 9000 GB. You can see here you have in this professional plan you can have share with increased control of security, 180 accident theft and disaster recovery, and this also is 180 for team. So in this Dropbox team you can see you can use 3 users can use this same email account. These you can purchase if you want to explore. So we're just going to give it continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. So Dropbox usually give you 2 GB for free. So I'm going to click on it. So this is how a Dropbox homepage looks like. So in the left side corner you have Dropbox logo where you can go for home. Then you have all files. Then you can click on photos if you want to select only photos. Then you have shared if anyone has shared you. Then you have signatures. So you can create a signature and add here. So then you have file requests, delete all files. So basically a trash bin. How to upload a file? You can upload a file directly by clicking on upload file or a folder you can choose. So I'm just going to upload a file as of now. So I'm going to click on file. So now I'll be just selecting a file. So and then I can give open. So you can see on the right side bottom corner here our upload status bar is being shown. So once the file is uploaded, you can copy the link to share, or you can click on here, click on the file, then share. And you can add the person's email address over here which you want to share the file to. For example, so you can, after adding the email address, you can click on, so you can add a note, so whatever you want, then you can create the link over here and copy. And you can also allow the user which you have add the email address, so if they can only preview, only view, then you can select only can view. If you want them to edit the file and re-upload it, you can select as can edit. So in settings more you have the same, so viewer option info. So this is for link for editing, so you can create the link over here, and link for viewing. If you want to share only link for viewing, you can click over here. So I'm just going to click a link for edit. So anyone with this link or only the people invited in the email. So this option, what happens if you click on only people who invited, only the email address which you have entered earlier, for example, share, which you had entered the email address over here in earlier, only those people can see. So once the file is uploaded, you can explore the options. In these three buttons you have file info where you can see the file informations, so saved in Dropbox, how many, the file size, modified date and type of document. Then you have options, you can share with Dropbox or send a copy. So you can copy the link and share it to the person who you want to share. Just copy this link and you can paste it in your any messenger apps or through email which you're going to share. Then you can download the file. So manage permissions. If there are multiple people involved in this, you can change the ownership. Then you have option as open with PowerPoint, preview in Dropbox. You can see if I want to preview, I can preview the PPT file. If you want to open in PowerPoint, since it is a PPT file, you can open in PowerPoint. Then you have delete options, rename, move, copy. So if you want to create a folder, then you can click on create. Then you can options over here like create a folder, shared folder, automated folder. You can for documents as well. So Dropbox paper template, Google Docs also you can create over here. Google. You can also record the sessions. You can have presentation PowerPoint if you have any files. So you can create a PowerPoint slide presentation in Dropbox itself. Then you have options with spreadsheets for Google Excel sheets if you want to create. You can create Google Excel sheets, but you have to link your account the similar way. So now we are not going to do that. Creating a folder. So if you click on create folder, you can just name it. I'm just going to give a sample. Just going to give create. So once the folder is created, you can add files over here. Then similarly click on upload file, upload file. You can see the files are being uploaded over here. Or you can also drag and drop the file. I'm going to drag and drop a file, and you can see the other template also is being uploaded. You can see it is one of two. So the files are uploaded. You can also delete the files. You can select whichever the files you want to delete. So I'm just going to select one file as of now. Then click on the three dots. You can go and click on delete button. So once you delete, the deleted files will be in deleted file as a trash bin over here. So you can see the file which you have deleted has been in the trash box. So you can restore by clicking on it, or if you want to permanently delete it, just select it and give click on delete permanently. You can edit your PDFs or create PDFs over here. So if you want to add photos, you can just add photos and videos from your system. You can just click on and add upload similarly. So I'm not going to upload anything. So Dropbox is just having 2 GB as free storage, but in Google Drive you can get up to 15 GB as free storage. So if you go to account and if you want to increase the storage, you can just click on upgrade, and as of now we are in a basic plan, so that is of 2 GB. And if you want to increase, you can always select the one which you want. Similarly, if you go to the account section, you can see settings. So you can also try it for free for 30 days for 2 TB, 2 terabyte. So you can, in the basics, you can just upload your profile picture, you can rename, edit your email address or change email address. You can also link your account with other people on other devices. Then you have all these languages, date format, other basic steps which will be there in usual normal softwares. So then in features, you can always change password in security. If you want to set a password, you can set the password. Since we're not going to set any password since we're using with sign in with Google. So you can also have for extra security like two-step verification, you can turn it on. So once you get started, you can password. So in my case, I have to add Google password, and then you'll get a verification OTP or a code to your email address before logging in. We are using in Google Chrome, so you can see the web browser activity showing the current session. So then you have devices. If you have installed Dropbox in your Apple phone or your Android device, you can always see it over here. It is now, since we are not installed and linked, so it is showing installed Dropbox. Then you have notification. You can always enable and disable these notifications if which are irrelevant, and which are relevant only you can keep them on. Then you can have apps. These all are apps which are now linked to our Dropbox, since we had used earlier PowerPoint presentation. And we can use, as I told earlier, we can create docs, Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint also in Dropbox itself. So this is a branding center which is not necessary as of now. So you can refer a friend also. So every friend you refer, you earn around 500 MB for every friend who installs the Dropbox to their desktop, and your friend also will get 500 MB too. So like this you can increase the storage. It is like refer and earn. They'll have to install and log into the link which you have shared it with them. So if they go and install directly from the Dropbox page or the App Store or Play Store, it's not going to work. Then you can have default sharing. So you can, if you want to share the link with anyone only or with invited people who can also access your files. So the features are all pretty much same. If you want to know more about cloud storage, you can check in the link in the descriptions. We have done a detailed video on Google Drive. So the similarly options and the process will be applied here to use. Do share and subscribe. Thank you.